Muyumbe wa Dagoretti ya Ethio John Kiarie KJU enda maobisa maisalo DCA makunwe metho muno na kwika ukunikili kiwango cha yulu na wametuki kwenye kikuu cha ula member bunge ni akaunti lobiku Makariobangi ya yulu Joel Munobe Kiarie watakana kikuu cha MCA uki na makulio maingi maito na musukumo wake ukonya kumwetanga kuma otongo ini governor wa akaunti lobi Johnson Sakaja wele toko buthi wa onabanini dheni wa ukunikili wa DCA Benjamin Mwaka tuelezea.
Muyumbe wa Dagoretti South John Kiarie nwakule mobisa ma DCA madhae ya tunakumbanya uwe wonde kwenye kikuu cha MCA Makariobangi North ulona atiwe nidhayo kwiyo.
Even as we are saying Paul to the family of MCA Joel Munuve, I wish that this house would stand up and call upon the investigative authorities not to gloss over this matter, because this matter might be having very serious interests that go very high up. Mr. Speaker, we would not want to place the blame anywhere. Let that be left to the investigative authorities. All we are asking, Mr. Speaker, is to ensure that the death of Honorable Munuve is investigated to the full and that no stone is left untouched.
Aina ni miako ni mbunge KJ nwaweta Joel Munuve ndane tuwa nidhayo kwisila itumisie kueleka na vena mokulio maingi maandu meikulia matena usungio oyu.
The death of Honorable Joel Munuve is a curious death, especially at a time when he was raising very pertinent issues about the leadership and the goings-on in City Hall, Mr. Speaker. Only 3 days before his death, the Honorable Joel Munuve dared to first collect signatures for the impeachment of the governor of Nairobi City County. Secondly, he had said that he's going to reveal very damning information about the goings-on in City Hall, Mr. Speaker.
Inge kwenana na KJ ni kana MCA huwa nae Mustali nwambe kukoso otongo wa governor wa county Lovi Johnson Sakaja na udhukumi mwanzu county ne na kile cha ilo kunikilwa mononi maofisa ma DCI.
And let us not imagine that the issues that he was canvassing have no connection to a certain death of a very passionate leader who was serving Nairobi City Council with very good ideas, very reform-minded, transformative, and a seeker for integrity in Nairobi City Hall.
Vilengi wa mauvo kumafahamu sini Lovi nye nita wa Benjamin Mwaka